If you've ever had too many tabs open and you want to move through them quickly without touching your mouse, this video is going to help. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to move tabs in Chrome using your keyboard on both Windows or Linux and on Mac. This is a simple shortcut, but once you start using it, it can save you a lot of time every single day. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Let's jump right in. On Windows and Linux, the shortcut to move to the next tab is Ctrl+Tab. So if you're on one tab and you want to go forward to the next one, just hold down Ctrl and press Tab once. Chrome will immediately switch to the next tab in your row. If you want to move backward to the previous tab, use Ctrl+Shift+Tab. That means hold Ctrl and Shift together, then press Tab, and Chrome will take you to the tab just before the one you're on. These shortcuts are great when you're researching, comparing pages, or working with multiple documents at the same time. Instead of clicking each tab manually, you can keep your hands on the keyboard and move faster. Now, if you're using a Mac, the shortcuts are slightly different. To move to the next tab in Chrome on Mac, press Command+Option plus the right arrow key. That will move you one tab forward. To go to the previous tab, press Command+Option plus the left arrow key. That moves you back one tab at a time. So just remember, Windows and Linux use Ctrl+Tab and Ctrl+Shift+Tab, while Mac uses Command+Option plus the arrow keys. If you want to move through tabs even faster, it helps to practice these shortcuts a few times until they become second nature. Open a few tabs in Chrome right now and try switching between them with the keyboard. Once you get used to it, you'll notice how much smoother your browsing becomes. This is especially useful if you're working, studying, or managing lots of web pages at once. And if you ever forget the shortcut, you can come back to this video and quickly check the difference between Windows, Linux, and Mac. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, share it with someone who uses Chrome every day, and subscribe for more simple tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.